everyone, it's Gina from orchidandopal.com and welcome back. Today I have another one of the fuchsia special deal boxes from BeadingSchool to share with you, this time full of Preciosa pure cabochons. So if you had watched the recent BeadingSchool Academy subscription unboxing for January and February, you may recall that they had sent some of the Preciosa pure cabs inside of that box, and I had made this bracelet, which I had recently shared and will be doing a tutorial for next week. But these stones don't have the foiled backing. They are completely unbacked and very beautiful. We'll open them up, of course, and take a close look at those. But this is a wonderful way to sample 18 different colors of Preciosa pure stones all at one time. And what you get in the box is you get 18 different colors, 4 of each color, and they may differ slightly from box to box, but it's going to be a great assortment to build up your stash. And the cost is only $19.90 in euros, which converts to less than 23 US dollars. And I want to let you know that it looks like they have some spots available at this time for the March and April, the next bi-monthly box in the fuchsia subscription level, which has previously been sold out over and over again as they're able to grow the subscription and add some more spots in. So if you've been wanting to get in on that, now is the time. I'll leave a link to the subscription down below as well. It's awesome. And if you had gotten it, you'll have everything you need to make this bracelet. One of the perks of that subscription is that you can pick up things from the BeadingSchool shop and you can add them to your bi-monthly subscription order so that there's no extra shipping cost. So there's an option on the website when you get to the checkout portion, you can choose to top up your box and everything will be shipped to you with that subscription order, which is a pretty cool perk. So once again, here's a close look at that bracelet. And even if you don't get enough of one color in the box to make this particular bracelet, you can actually use 2 different colors and alternate them. I think that would be gorgeous too in something like this. Here's a little peek at the back of the bracelet so you can see how there's no foiling on the back of the stones and they are just as lovely and sparkly and faceted and beautiful as you would expect from Preciosa. So with all that out of the way, let's go ahead and pop open the box and check out the different colors that came in this special deal and get a closer look. All right, I always love how they pack these little tiny boxes. And it is full to the brim of these beautiful stones. I'm already loving the first one I'm seeing right on the top, one of those white opal ones. I was hoping that would be in there. So let me get better organized, then we'll look at each of these close up one at a time. First, let's look at the Jet Pure Cab. This is an 8mm, as they all are, and they're all packed neatly and safely in these dividers, each and every one of them. So these are more of an opaque variety. You still get the reflective surface and the slight sparkle from the faceting. They just don't let the light through. You can see one of them there I have tipped upside down so you can kind of see where the back is pointed. They all have the same shape and the flat top like you expect from a chaton. Next up is the crystal. And I think it may even be better for me to show you like this for this one so you can see how the light passes through and how sparkly that is. And that's even without having the foiled backing like the chatons ordinarily do. Absolutely gorgeous. Next up are the white opal, and I love that little bit of fire that they have. Really amazing they're able to achieve these without any extra coating or anything. And they're all in perfect condition. They are precision cut. Preciosa is a great brand and a fantastic replacement for Swarovski crystal. I also believe that these opalescent colors come in different colors besides the white opal. I think I saw some other ones on the BeadingSchool site, and you can pick up any of these separately, by the way. You don't have to pick them up in this fuchsia box. It's just a great way to get a bunch of them in all different colors all at once. But you can, of course, purchase these separately in all different colors from the BeadingSchool shop. Next is the color called Burgundy. This is a more maroon shade. It's definitely got some reds, kind of a red with a brownish undertone. And there's a close look at all these. I positioned them so you could see all the different sides. We also received the color cyan, beautiful bright red. And there's a look at that one. Very sparkly, gorgeous berry red. And here are all of those together. And then here is the color ruby, which is the same color that was used in the bracelet at the beginning of the video. These I would describe as a pinky red. They have a pink undertone to them, as you can see. And just look at how they sparkle under the light, which is just awesome. And the nice thing too about the unfoiled cabochons or stones is the fact that you don't have to worry about that coating scraping off and affecting how the front of the stone looks. Up next is the color light rose. I'm loving that one too, and I haven't even taken it out of the bag yet. I kind of feel like the lighter the color is for these pure stones, the more sparkly they are. Aren't those stunning, that light blush pink? And then we have another light color in the gold quartz. And I would describe this color as a very light peach. It's very neutral, and with the white divider behind it, it definitely looks a little bit more peach than it does right now in my hand. Next is the color called smoked topaz. So we have another neutral color. This one has kind of a golden undertone, but also a smoky look with maybe a hint of gray, dulling that golden tone down a little bit. And then next is the color called topaz. This one a very golden and warm color with a hint of orange to it, sort of a marigold-like color. And then we have the citrine, this very lemony yellow. It's so fun to be able to see all of these different colors in one box coming together and really sampling so many of these at once. They've done a great job putting together this wide variety and rainbow of colors. And then we have the aeronite, which is this very sophisticated green. Such a lovely shade. I'm loving that one. Every time I see the Preciosa aeronite, it's one of my favorite greens that they have. Next is the Montana color, that deep grayish teal. I just love how the edges have that extra sparkle. And there's another look at all of those together. Bringing in some more blue with the sapphire. This is always such a lovely medium blue option. How perfect are those? And then another lovely blue in the aqua bohemica color. And this is another light color, so I feel like it really shows off all of the faceting because of how the light is passing through it. And there they are in my hand at all different angles. And by the way, I have a section on my website. If you look all the way down at the bottom right hand side, you're going to see a list of all different materials. If you click on crystal stones round 8mm, that link will bring you to all the different projects or tutorials that I've posted that include this particular shape. And that goes for all of the different links in that list as well. So if you're looking for things to do with this particular shape, that's one way you can kind of quickly find all of the projects that I have done videos for using this stone. We're down to our last three colors. We have some tanzanite, bringing in some purple. So lovely. These are kind of a bluish purple color, and there they are all together. And then we have the amethyst. Another gorgeous purple shade. This one more of a pinky dark purple. And all the different juicy angles there. And last but not least, we have the color fuchsia. This is a lovely shade of medium bright pink with a slightly purple undertone, and a great way to round out the different options, colors, and styles that we got a chance to look at up close in this special deals box. So that is everything for the Preciosa Pure Cabochon Special Deal Fuchsia Box. I will leave the link right to it down below the video so you can go right to it and check it out in their shop. They've got other fuchsia boxes as well that you can take a look at while they're there, but this is 72 pieces for a total of 19.90 euros, which is a little less than 23 US dollars. They do the conversion for you directly no matter where you're located. They do ship worldwide. And like I said, if you're a subscriber to the Beading School Academy, amazing subscription box that comes out bi-monthly, you can choose to add this on to your next Academy box shipment. And if you haven't joined already, feel free to check out the Beading School Academy. Again, there are some spots open at the moment, it looks like, for the fuchsia level. So if you've been wanting to get on that, now might be the time, and that link will be down below as well. I think they did a fantastic job putting in a variety of different colors. We have the whole rainbow down there, and we had the opportunity to check out the opaque jet black and also the white opal, which is really cool to see in addition to the other pure cab colors. I hope you enjoyed checking out this special deal box. Feel free to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of these Preciosa Pure stones or the special deal itself or anything else you'd like to say. Definitely give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're here so you'll be notified of upcoming videos, including the tutorial for this lovely bracelet, and feel free to share the video with your other bead loving friends. That is all I have this time. I will see you again soon though. Until next time, I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day, and as always, happy beading.